What's up, guys? This is TB12 coming back at it with some packs. As you can see, I got some pretty juicy packs. So let's see here. Let's get right at it. Oh, I should select it all. Get Curls Spot. Probably sells for about 50k. Alright, let's select all. And open packs. 25,000 coins. And then put in your bench. And this is a Team Week pack and get nothing. That was a trash pack. 85 overall, top 100 player. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes, we get Von Miller. Update team. I'll take that. That's a good pull right there. Non-auctionable stacked player. Feel all. 80 overall. Stacked center. You can put him in the set for elite. Present for New Year's Eve. Got new presents for New Year's Eve. Elite Ultimate Freeze not auctionable. Get Matt Ryan, don't care about him. Super stacked. Alright, I don't really know many players in Super Stack. Hopefully we get someone good. Yes! Get 94 overall Zach Martin. That's what we want. I think that's one of the better polls. I'm not sure though. We'll look them up later. We're into the huddle packs. And we get a Legends collectible, not bad. No elites. Rising Stars practice jerseys, and I need that. And a Legends shield. Not bad. Getting some juicy collectibles, so no, not any players yet. Oh, yes, we pulled Shaq Mason. We pulled Shaq Mason. 84 power line. Yes, I'll take that. Whew. Yeah. Huddle pack. Another one. Can we keep the juice up? No. Come on, Frank Clark. Come on, I'm getting icicle packs. Nothing good. I've never pulled anything good. Oh, that's it. Alright, let's go to store. Get some more packs. Signature packs, $20 worth. They're not bad. It's 1 Elite Ultimate Freeze Signature Player, 2 Ultimate Freeze Elite Ultimate Freeze Presents, 1 Elite 80, 90, 89 overall, 10 Gold Ultimate Freeze Players, 4 Ultimate Freeze Legends, collectibles, and 40 snowballs. So that's a pretty good pack. I'm gonna open these, get some presents for New Year's Eve. Come on. And we get medium present 5. I wonder if they're gonna be very similar to the Christmas presents. I don't know though. Hopefully they're better. Because I was kind of disappointed in the Christmas presents. And that's crap. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.